Artificial intelligence. It's everywhere now. From the phone in my pocket to cars on our streets and even the apps I use every day. But have you ever wondered, where did it all start? Let's rewind the clock. The dream of creating machines that think like humans actually goes back thousands of years. Imagine this. Ancient Greek myths spoke of mechanical servants. Even early inventors centuries later created automatons, machines that mimicked life, long before electricity was even a thing. But real progress kicked in during the 1940s. As the first computers hummed to life, people started asking a wild question: can a machine actually think? In 1950, British mathematician Alan Turing made history by posing the Turing test, a way to see if a machine could fool a human into thinking it was a person. Then, in 1956, there was a major turning point: the Dartmouth Conference. It was here that the term artificial intelligence was officially born, and a new field of science took its first steps. The next few decades were a roller coaster. The 60s and 70s saw massive excitement, but soon reality hit. Progress slowed, funding dried up, and optimism faded. People even called these tough times the AI winters. But AI proved it had staying power. Fast forward to 1997. IBM's Deep Blue shocked the world by beating chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov at his own game. For the first time, a computer had mastered a complex human skill. And look at us now. With advances like deep learning and neural networks, AI is transforming everything. It's writing, driving, chatting, and learning faster than ever before. From ancient legends to today's digital marvels, the story of AI is far from over. In fact, this is just the beginning. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech history and AI insights.